tell me what we're doing here.
So we're seeing how much it takes to use this or this. Which one's better?
Okay, which so the fan or the air conditioning, which one uses less energy to cool things down? Oh, you put 2 in and the fan has already started. So that's 2 kilowatts, huh? 2 kilowatts. Okay, so now let's see how many it takes for the air conditioner. Here we go. Okay, we're already at double what it took for the fan. Hey, Iz. Keep going, buddy. So air conditioning in the summertime in Virginia Beach is brutal. Here we are in Minnesota at the Children's Museum, and all of their exhibits talk about how to be eco-friendly and the amount of energy that we use. So now we're at 6 times what it takes to power a fan, and the air conditioner still has not even turned on. Lizzie, are you going to be our Vanna White and tell us when it's
still spinning.
good to go? No, the fan is still spinning. Keep going, Bennett. My goodness.
And now time for the commercial. Izzy, tell them about funny stories.
Oh, here we go.
Took going.
No, it's still going. Look at how many
Took 20
kilowatts.
It takes how much do you?
I think it's going to go to
Whoa, that's off the chart.
And now it started running. So 2 versus 80. If we had to literally put in coins
And that just stopped
every
working.
time we wanted to turn on the air conditioning, we might set the temp up a little bit higher. So let's be eco-friendly, my friends. Have a great week. Bye.